How's it going? Mike here, The Fresh Rinse. I've been doing that a lot lately. The whole shaking the head thing when I'm practicing my intro in the mirror in the morning. I've noticed this involuntary shaking of my head, and I'll be honest with you, I'm kind of digging it. I think it's very becoming of me. I'm gonna roll with it. So Mike here, The Fresh Rinse, and we are here on location in the Wash Mahal, and we have come almost to a completion of the 2023 complete pressure washing rig rebuild. And we are now ready to begin installing the AR45 soft wash gas pump setup. And I am so excited. Don't go anywhere. All right, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me. Once again, my name is Mike. I'm The Fresh Rinse. I'm excited about setting up this AR45 soft wash setup. It's been 6 months or so in the making, and I'm really ready to get started. If you haven't already hit the like button and the subscribe button, would you mind doing that? I would greatly appreciate it. This will alert you to all the upcoming videos when you hit that bell tab. So do that right now, much appreciated. Let's get started. So I'm not exactly sure how many episodes this is going to be in the making. However, I think we want to take it step by step, maybe 6, 7, 8 minutes a piece, so that we can really break this down, give a good, studious tutorial, and make it worth your while. And today, we're going to focus mainly on just setup. In other words, we are going to take the control panel and we're going to mount that to the side of this 275-gallon tote. And then with the AR45 pump, we're going to relocate that from the floor where it's been for 6 months over to this station here, where that off camera, I have mounted my bracket to the rig and we're ready for placement. I've really been debating on where I want this stationed on the 275 tote, but as I have had it mocked up over the last couple of days, I've decided that the higher that I post it, the better. In fact, I'll be using at least one of these 2 factory clips that hold the rack together for the 275, the cage. I'm gonna use those to hold the panel to the 275-gallon tote. And I have positioned the machine just to the right and yet not beyond the end of the 275, so that these control valves will be right here, just out of the way. So let's go ahead and mount the control panel up on the rack or the cage of the 275. If it's not where we want it, we can always shift it right, left, up, or down in time. But yeah, let's get this done. The braces that kind of keep the cage from collapsing require a star bit. It's actually a T30 if anyone is wondering. So I apologize for the lighting, but it does appear that having these clips to be utilized as brackets or supporting brackets for the control panel is going to work. Before I add a self-tapping screw to this vertical brace here, I want to make absolutely certain that this is where I want the control panel to be. By simply loosening these 2 bolts here, these braces will shift to the left or the right, so that's not an issue. It does appear that this is going to work for me. It gives me plenty of room here for my bypass hose. I don't think that that's an issue. I really think I'm going to like it right where it's at. All right, it's time to relocate the AR45 from the floor to the stand that has been made specifically for this mounting bracket. But before I do, I need to remove the rubber bushings. These are vibration bushings. I'll do that using a 5/8 wrench and ratchet. We'll remove those. That will give me the proper area I need to make the mark for drilling the holes here in the stand. All right, so without the aid of the recommended 3-ton engine hoist, I'm going to attempt to lift the AR-45 and Honda engine all by myself and relocate it from the floor to the stand. This should be fun. God, you look like an idiot. Yankees. Who needs them? All right, I have the bracket on the stand right where I want it. Now with a silver marker, I'll simply mark the holes on all 4 corners, drill the holes, and then mount the AR-45. All right, there you have it. We have the AR-45 all set up and ready to go. We have the control panel mounted. Of course, we have our bypass, water, soap, an additional port here for soap or whatever we wanted to apply. And then chemical, I don't know what any of this stuff does because everything else that goes to this is in this box. I ordered the whole kit and caboodle and they sent it to me with a filter and everything. And I'm going to be perfectly honest with you, I have no idea what to do with any of this. This should be a lot of fun. This will be the next video. So in our next episode, we will be plumbing the AR-45. In a future video, we will be installing a key start on the Honda GX200. So that should be fun. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell tab and you won't miss ever miss a video. All right, my name's Mike. They call me The Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.